Did you know that the state of your home can directly impact your mood and productivity? That's a fun little fact for you. A clean home just about having an aesthetic appeal. It's about carving out a space that promotes wellness, tranquility, and mental clarity. It's akin to a blank canvas waiting for you to paint your masterpiece on full. So, are you up for discovering the daily routines of individuals who maintain exceptionally clean homes? Stick with us as we dive into the 11 things people with clean homes do every day. People with clean homes start their day by making their beds. This seemingly simple act is more powerful than you might think. It's a small victory to kickstart the day, setting a tone of accomplishment. It's like saying, "Hello world, I'm ready for you." This tidiness habit also keeps your bedroom looking neat, providing a serene environment to wind down at the end of the day. It's a ripple effect. One small act of cleanliness can lead to a day filled with productivity. So remember, a made bed equals a made day. Next on the list, they don't put off until tomorrow what they can do today. Procrastination, that sly fox, is a cleanliness arch nemesis. It whispers, "Why do today what you can do tomorrow?" But remember, tomorrow has its own set of tasks. A clean home enthusiast knows that procrastination leads to an avalanche of chores. They tackle tasks head-on, keeping that pesky procrastination at bay. The result? A perpetually clean, inviting home. So nip that procrastination in the bud. They also clean as they go. Now this might sound simple, but it's a game changer. Imagine this. You just finished a delightful sandwich. Instead of leaving the crumbs behind, you immediately wipe them off. Or picture this. You've just chopped a mountain of colorful veggies for dinner. Instead of waiting until after the meal, you clean the cutting board right away. This routine of tidying up after each activity prevents a mess from piling up. Remember, a clean home is a constant work in progress. They know that everything has a place, and everything should be in its place. This mantra is the secret weapon of the perpetually tidy. It's not about having less stuff, but about smart organization. Picture this: a world where scissors are always in the drawer, your favorite book on its designated shelf, and the remote control never playing hide and seek. It's a delightful dance of order and efficiency. No head scratching over misplaced items, no time-wasting scavenger hunts. So, find a home for every item. People with clean homes keep their surfaces clear. This is more than just an aesthetic choice. Clear surfaces contribute to a sense of calm and order. They make a room feel larger and more inviting. It's like the difference between a crowded city street and a tranquil park. Clutter can make us feel overwhelmed, while clear surfaces can help us feel relaxed and focused. So consider this as a daily cleanliness routine. So, clear those surfaces and see the difference. Clean people do the dishes after every meal. It's a simple yet powerful habit. Imagine, with every meal, the dishes pile up, the mess expands, and so does your stress. But washing dishes promptly? It's like hitting the reset button after each meal. You start fresh, without the looming dread of a dish mountain in the sink. It's not just about cleanliness. It's about peace of mind. It's about creating a serene environment where you can truly enjoy your home. Remember, a clean sink is a happy sink. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe. Your engagement helps support the channel and lets the YouTube algorithm know you're enjoying the content. It's a simple click for you, but it's a huge help for us. Plus, you'll never miss out on our helpful tips and tricks to make your home a cleaner, happier place. Remember, every interaction counts. So don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your support, and let's continue with our clean home journey. They also regularly purge unnecessary items. Imagine a life where you're not constantly tripping over the things you haven't used in years. The benefits of decluttering are immense. It's like shedding a skin, leaving you lighter, more efficient, and with space for things that truly matter. Plus, it's a lot easier to keep a place clean when it's not crammed with unneeded items. Think of it as a regular spring cleaning, no matter the season. So, out with the old and in with the new. They wipe down surfaces regularly. Now, doesn't that sound simple? But it's a game changer in keeping a home clean. Regularly wiping down surfaces, whether it's the kitchen counter, the dining table, or even the TV remote, helps prevent dust and dirt from accumulating. It's like nipping the mess in the bud. Plus, it reduces the need for those exhaustive deep cleaning sessions. So arm yourself with a cloth and your favorite all-purpose cleaner and embrace the wipe-down routine. Remember, a quick wipe-down can go a long way. Spills? They take care of them immediately. Picture this: a glass of red wine tips over. Panic? Not for those with spotless homes. They know that acting swiftly is key to preventing a permanent reminder of that clumsy moment. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about avoiding extra work down the line. Stains can be stubborn, requiring more time and effort to remove if left unattended. So the next time you experience a spill, don't just stand there. So, don't let that spill sit. They keep their cleaning supplies handy. Yes, indeed. Those with spotless homes know the value of having cleaning equipment close at hand. It's all about efficiency and convenience. Imagine you notice a small spill or a bit of dust. Instead of trekking across the house to grab a cloth, wouldn't it be easier if the necessary tools were just within arm's reach? It's a simple yet effective strategy for maintaining a clean environment. So, keep those cleaning supplies within arm's reach. Last but not least, they have a cleaning schedule. Having a schedule not only organizes your cleaning tasks, but also ensures that no corner of your home is neglected. It's like a roadmap to a consistently clean house. You can plan daily, weekly, even monthly chores. This way, you're not overwhelmed with all the cleaning in one go. Instead, you tackle it in manageable bits. From dusting your bookshelves to scrubbing your kitchen sink, everything gets its turn. Remember, a schedule can be your best cleaning friend. So, let's run through those cleaning habits one more time. First, they make their beds. It's a small task that sets the tone for the whole day. Second, they don't procrastinate. Remember, the mess won't clean itself. Third, they clean as they go, making sure messes don't pile up. Fourth, they have a place for everything. Clutter is just delayed decisions after all. Fifth, they keep surfaces clear. A clear surface equals a clear mind. Sixth, they do the dishes after every meal. No one likes to wake up to a sink full of dishes. Seventh, they regularly purge unnecessary items. Less stuff, less mess. Eighth, they wipe down surfaces regularly. It's all about maintenance. Ninth, they take care of spills immediately, because the longer you wait, the harder it is to clean. 10th, they keep cleaning supplies handy. Accessibility is key. And finally, they have a cleaning schedule. Consistency is the secret to a clean home. Cleanliness isn't a chore, it's a lifestyle. So adopt these habits and enjoy a cleaner, happier home. Now that we've shared all these incredible tips with you, it's your turn to put them into action. But before you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Here at the SmartLife Solutions channel, we're dedicated to helping you make your life easier, cleaner, and more organized. So make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Stay smart, stay clean, and remember, a clean home is a happy home. We'll see you in the next video.